Breville BMO850BSS1BUC1 The smooth wave countertop microwave oven, brushed stainless steel. Sensor IQ technology. Sensor IQ technology is designed to take the guesswork out of cooking by automatically adjusting power to precisely cook or reheat your favorite dishes and delicious treats with ease. When using Smart Reheat, the Sensor IQ technology detects the steam released and automatically sets the ideal time for precise and delicious results. Power smoothing inverter. The power smoothing inverter technology does away with the old on-off method to automatically adjust power intensity and deliver smooth even power when you need more or less for deliciously even results. Reheat favorites like pizza slices, soup and lasagna with ease or delicately defrost meats and meals without overheating and drying out edges. Smart Cook, Smart Reheat, Smart Defrost with 15 inbuilt smart presets including Smart Cook, Smart Reheat and Smart Defrost. The smooth wave puts all the power at your fingertips. Smooth low temperature delivers heat evenly without overheating and drying out, allowing you to cook with ease, reheat with precision and delicately defrost your favorite dishes. Soft closed door and quieter operation. The smooth wave is engineered with a soft closed door which is 80% quieter and is 50% quieter in operation. Clever touches like child lock, Breville sounds sweet and mute button means less beeps, bumps and clangs, and more pops, bites and crunches. Shortcuts and one-touch auto settings. Cleverly designed shortcuts panel on the inside door of the smooth wave for commonly used tasks such as melting chocolate, softening butter, reheating pizza and more. Set your favorites with one touch and get delicious results every time. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.